Hi students. So my upcoming videos I'll be starting with a new roadmap and I'll be covering these topics: anonymous function. I'll also talk about map, filter, reduce, its uses. I'll show examples, and then at the end I will discuss about decorators. So in the next video I'll be starting with what is anonymous function. I'll talk about what is lambda expression, its syntax. I'll show examples and its uses. So basically, this map, filter and reduce, this anonymous function is used in these functions. So I'll talk about this in detail. So in my video 14 I'll talk about map, its uses, syntaxes, examples. Then in video 15 I'll talk about filter. Then in video 16 about reduce. And in video 17, or in the last video, I'll discuss about decorators, its different kinds, uses, and also some advanced concepts like decorator chaining. So stay tuned. Bye bye.